This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Sachin Bhalerao. I am working as a consultant. So this is my new video on Salesforce. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to use Object Creator to create custom object. So this is a new tool introduced by Salesforce at, and it's boost the productivity. So let's see how it works. Yeah, first of all, what is Lightning Object Creator? So Lightning Object Creator is a new tool that turns a spreadsheet into apps with just few clicks. Means we don't need to perform any coding, we don't need to write any script. Just with a few clicks, it convert our Excel sheet into apps. And with a just few steps, we are able to convert our CSV file or a spreadsheet into our apps. So this allowing our object to convert into custom object and all, and in this way it boosts up the productivity. And with the newly created object we are also able to create reports, perform global search and all. So these all are about object creator. How to start? In our Lightning app builder, we need to press on link navigation items, and then we have to press arrow icon of this create button, and this custom object from spreadsheet it will appear, and we have to click on this. So let's move towards how to create. I am going to my development org. Yeah, in this quick find it toolbox I'm going to feed app manager, app manager, man. Yeah, now click on app manager. So here it will show the list of all apps available in our Salesforce. I created app to first app have this one. So we need to edit this app in this way. Yeah. So we need to click on the navigation item links, and yeah, so I have one spreadsheet. Yeah, this having name sports. I have to convert it into custom object. So I'm going, I will choose this list. Yeah, so create custom object, custom object from spreadsheet. Yeah, this wizard will get open. So from we are able to select any Google Sheet, CSV file and all. So I'm going to upload file from this option, upload button. So my file name is sports. This one, this one I'm going to convert into custom object. Yeah, yeah. In this way, our fields will get appear in Salesforce field name, and field type is also get appear in here. Preview also available. Yeah, this preview in this way. So now I am going to press next button. So here all the fields are pre-populated. Here we are able to add some description, test uh, or something, and advanced search is also available here. So in this way, allow search, allow reports, allow activities and all these things. And then press on finish. Uh, Actually, it depends on your records. If you have very limited records, it will not consume much time. If you have lot of much record, it will consume some few minutes also. Yeah, yeah, successful. It created one object. So now again we have to move to our, yeah, then refresh it. Our sports file, it will appear. Yeah, We have the file having name is sports. Yeah, this one. Now we have to click on it. We have to move sports. A minute. Yeah, this one to shift uh, upwards. In this way we can shift it upwards. Yeah, in this way. Now I am going to press on save button. Yeah, it is saved. Now we have to check if it is appears or not. I'm going to on my app. My app name is first app. Yeah, this one is first app. Yeah, so this our sports it appears here in this way, and when we click on this, yeah, and I will click on all records, so it will show all records in this way, and we are able to edit and delete also like this details and all these things in this way. So this was all about our custom object creator. So I hope you understand this. So if you have any questions, so please ask please ask and post your questions in comment box. Thank you for your timing and goodbye. Take care.